Perplexity announces new ad revenue sharing program with publishers. Perplexity, the AI-powered search engine valued at over $3 billion, is launching a new initiative that aims to address recent controversies and strengthen partnerships with publishers. Starting at the end of September, Perplexity will begin embedding ads within its search results and share a portion of the revenue with content creators through the Perplexity Publishers Program. Ad integration. Perplexity will feature advertisements within its search engine and redistribute part of the revenue to partnering publishers. Program launch. The Perplexity Publishers Program kicks off at the end of September. Publisher partners. The initiative includes major names like Time, Fortune, the Texas Tribune, Der Spiegel, Elle. Perplexity has recently faced criticism from publishers such as Forbes and Condé Nast for allegedly scraping their content without permission. The AI search engine is known for aggregating information from various sources and presenting it without requiring users to visit the original sites. This practice has raised concerns about traffic and revenue losses for these publishers. Revenue split. Perplexity has not disclosed exact figures, but Dmitry Shevelenko, the company's chief business officer, mentioned that a meaningful double-digit percentage of ad revenue will be shared with contributing publishers. Monetization. The effectiveness of this revenue-sharing model in compensating for potential traffic declines remains to be seen. Perplexity, which uses popular AI models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and Llama 3.1, will continue to provide summarized answers from across the web, now with added ad support. Stay tuned for more updates as the program rolls out and see how it impacts both publishers and users.